There are many Jigsaw products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best jigsaws from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Fast Pro Jigsaw Kit. Rating 4.3. This handle orbital jigsaw delivers 0 to 2,200 revolutions per minute for faster and more efficient cutting across different materials and applications. The adjustable base plate can tilt from 0 degrees to 45 degrees on both left and right sides for beveled cuts. A scale ruler can make straight cutting more precise and efficient. Blade release lever provides fast, tool-free changes of T-shank blades. Variable speed control provides optimal cutting speed, a switch lock button for safety when the saw is not in use or when carrying it. Blow-molded case for easy storage and transportation. It included 10 PCS blades that meet almost all common materials and sizes of cutting work. Number 4. Haichika Jigsaw. Rating 4.3. The 800W pure copper motor has great power of 800-3000 SPM speed, and with 6 speed levels you can adjust. With 6 PC blades, you can choose different saw blades according to the material, 2 for metal and aluminum, 4 for wood and plastic plate. The maximum adjustable cutting angle is -45 degrees to 45 degrees, and the maximum cutting depth in the wood is 110 millimeters, in the metal, 10 millimeters, so that different cutting angles can be set. Also, with 0 to 3 for lifting knives, suitable for various cutting materials. The higher the gear position, the faster the cutting speed, suitable for softer materials. The lower the gear position, the slower the cutting speed, for harder materials. With quick release chuck, you can change the saw blades quickly without a tool. On both sides of the jigsaw are the magnetic blade storage boxes, which are good for storing saw blades. Number 3. WorkPro Jigsaw. Rating 4.5. With a 6.5 amp power motor and a top speed of 3000 SPM, this cordless jigsaw can help cut wood faster and avoid burns on the edges. 6 variable cutting speeds can meet the cutting needs of different materials, such as metal, plastic, wood, etc. A 4/5 stroke length removes more material per cutting for more efficient cutting. Maximum working capacity of the jigsaw. Iron plate 10 millimeters, board 100 millimeters. The adjustable bottom plate can tilt up to 45 degrees to both left and right sides for different bevel cutting needs. For orbital settings, easily adjust cut aggressiveness across a wide range of applications. The higher orbital setting is suitable for softer materials and faster cutting, the lower for harder materials and slower cutting. Press the replacement button to complete the blade replacement without any other tools quickly, and the jigsaw is equipped with 7 saw blades and can meet almost all common materials and sizes of cutting work. Number 2. CZI Cordless Jigsaw. Rating 4.6. This electric jigsaw runs on dual 21V lithium batteries, offering reliable runtime and cordless freedom. Cut through wood or plastic wherever your creativity takes you. No cords, no limits. Designed for versatility, this jigsaw tool for wood cutting includes 9 blades for fast wood, fine wood, and metal. Whether you're trimming hardwood or slicing through pipe, you've got the right blade for the job. With 4-position orbital action and variable speed control, 0 to 2,800 revolutions per minute, this cordless jigsaw tool gives you ultimate control, smooth straight lines or tight curves. It's all up to you. No more guesswork in dim lighting. This cutoff tool has a built-in LED light that illuminates the cut line for precise cuts, no matter how late you're working or if you're in a dark work area. Number 1. Dongqing Jigsaw. Rating 4.7. Features a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers long-lasting, stable power for cutting wood up to 120 millimeters, aluminum 20 millimeters, and steel 10 millimeters. Achieves fast, precise cuts with 26 millimeters stroke length and variable no-load speed of 800-3500 SPM. For orbital action settings, enhance cutting efficiency. Supports bevel cuts up to 45 degrees left or right, ideal for angle cutting tasks. 6-speed adjustment lets you match the speed to different materials. Equipped with dual LED lights for improved visibility, a dust blower to keep the cut line clean, Toolless blade change for quick swaps, and a D-shaped rubberized handle for comfort. Complete set and accessories includes 1x4Ah battery, 2A charger, 6 blades, parallel guide rail, and tool bag, ready for any project right out of the box. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.